Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving OTP code or any verification code on your iPhone via SMS, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings and make sure that we have a stable and strong internet connection. If not, then tap on Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi, wait for a few seconds, then turn on back. The next thing that we have to do, scroll, find and tap on messages. Here we are going to do some settings. The first one is we have to enable send as a SMS, and also we have to find and tap on unknown and spam and make sure that filter unknown sender is disabled. Then go back to messages and turn off iMessage, wait for a few seconds, then turn on back. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. The next solution is we are going back to settings, tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Under general, also check the iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. In the end, what we have to do, we have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Finally, we are going to check one more thing. Control center, and make sure that do not disturb is disabled. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.